Hi, my name is Lois. This is Nicole. This is Keenan.
Hi, everyone. Tell them again, how old are you?
5.
You're 5? And what's your favorite color?
Purple and pink.
Ooh, ooh. Those are all 3 really good colors. Woo! And you are here to paint with us. I'm so excited you're painting with me today. It's gonna be fun. So we are making this beautiful painting. Oh, that's your paintbrush. We're gonna make this beautiful painting that says you are loved. So, do you wanna tell us what supplies we need? You got your brush.
And we need paint.
We need watercolors, and we need some water, and probably a paper towel. Yes. So let's show them what colors we got. So we are going to use, you can do it with me if you want. We're going to do red. Show them blue. So you want to do a swatch of that? Can you paint on here so they can see? You want to do it on there? Okay, we're going for it. We're going directly on here. So we're going to paint. So we have blue. We have so many different colors. So what you're going to do is you're going to paint inside. Good job. Keep going. So you're going to paint inside of your letters. Now, what Lois is painting is it says loved. And if you don't have this and you want to have it written down, you can share this with me, is you can ask a grown-up to go to our website and go to letsmakeart.com and you can download this and paint along with us. So you're gonna go and paint. What I wanna show you is there are so many different colors that you have. Oh, Lois, do you see that? You did blue and then a light blue. That looks really cool.
I'm gonna do...
Pick a color.
This one.
Do it. So so we have red, yellow, and blue. But what I wanna show you guys is that if you wanna make 3 more colors, you can.
I'm gonna do 3 more.
Okay.
And we don't want to forget our motto.
Yes. Okay, we will do that. So we have red. So did you know that red and yellow make?
Red and yellow make orange.
Mix them up.
Whoa.
Was that a question for me or for Lois?
Did you know that?
No.
Red and yellow make orange. Oh, that's so pretty.
Pretty.
Then yellow and green, nope, yellow and blue make green.
Does orange and yellow make blue?
Orange and yellow make, let's try. Orange and yellow, what are we gonna get? Ooh, it makes like a lighter orange. Let's see, let's show everyone. Ooh, that's a beautiful color.
That is pretty.
Good idea.
Okay.
Do you want to use a lighter orange?
Uh-huh.
So we're gonna paint inside our letters. Now, you can go for it.
Right there.
Oh, you wanna do another one? Okay, let's do it. What do you wanna do? Let's see. What if we mix this color and add, we're gonna experiment. What happens? Oh.
Dark blue.
Ooh, let's see what we get. Ooh, that's a pretty blue. Look at those colors together. Okay, so we're gonna go and paint. Now, I wanna show you a few different ways that you can paint this. You can pick one color like Lois is doing. Or what you can do is if you want to do how there's a rainbow of colors, so we're gonna go and we're gonna move along and we're gonna paint different colors.
Look.
What color is that? It's like a purple. You made that. So you're gonna paint inside. I wanna show you how if you have 2 different colors that you wanna use. We have our red. Oh, you did that. Okay, now move them together. Yeah. So you can mix colors like what Lois is doing. So she had red, and then if you wanna pick another color, and you paint it inside.
Wow.
Good job! So when you touch them together, they're gonna make a whole new color. That's what Lois is doing. So we're making another color inside.
She's being a mixagician.
Did you know that that's what you are?
No.
You're a mixing
That's what
magician.
you are. Oh, we got some.
Oh, wow.
Oh, and my other hand.
Oh, yeah, I have some color too.
So much color.
Ooh, all these colors are so pretty. Keep going. Okay, Now, I want to teach you also a few other techniques. Remember what we did before? So Lois, I'm going to do what Lois is doing. So we're going to paint some blue. So you're going to paint with a color. Maybe you pick just one color, or I feel like mixing it. We're just going to pick up some color. Now, whoa, that's such cool magic. Can we try something together, Lois? Can you paint yours? Remember what we did was if you just clean your brush, get some water.
Do it.
With this. Okay, add some orange. Whoa, that makes such a cool color.
Ooh, that's pretty.
Okay, can we show them a technique where we get water? And have you done, I think you've done this before, right, Lois? Where you get this and then you add some water drops.
Bloop, bloop.
Whoa. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Whoa, you made a whole new color with key and sign effects. Whoa, are you gonna use that color? Okay, do it. So, as you saw, whoa, look how that's blending right there.
Ooh, pretty.
That looks so cool. So you can mix any colors. So you can do this technique that we're doing where it's just adding water drops. Oh, can I use some of this beautiful color you made?
Sure.
I like this color. So we're gonna paint inside. I wanna show you another technique that you can use.
I'm going to do like little drops.
Do it.
Ooh, yeah, do little drops of color, Lois.
Oh, yes, let's show them that. So I'm gonna do that. So what Lois is doing, oh, I love it. So you can pick another color. So maybe I'll pick a color. And what she's doing is you pick up the color and you're just gonna, whoa, whoa. We're doing some color explosions. Boom. So just adding some
color.
Yeah. So you can make any colors.
So good.
Yes. Okay.
Look at these dots.
Now, oh, I love your dots. Pick up some color. We also, Lois, have you played with salt before?
No.
Have you cooked with salt?
No.
Oh.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is you're gonna paint another one, and then
I'm going to add some more color to this one.
do it. So we're gonna do that, and then
It's white.
whoa, because you blended it in.
Uh-huh.
Okay, I'm gonna grab some salt for you. So while that's wet, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna pinch some of this. Do you want to add some salt to this one?
Sure.
Okay, so we're gonna pinch a little bit of the salt, and then you're gonna sprinkle it on top of the one that's wet. So your L is wet. Yeah. So we're gonna
All of mine is wet.
Oh, you can do all of it then. So we're gonna let it sit. Then it'll create some explosions when it's dry. But you need to make sure your letters are wet. Nice. Oh, look at all those cool explosions you already have. That looks awesome.
I think it's fine.
I love it.
Mm.
Oh,
Man,
I think I need one
this is so
need
fun.
more? Okay, keep going. So we're just painting inside our letters.
I think I'm going to wait until it's dry.
Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I have blue on here. I think I'm gonna just paint on red. Whoa, what color did that make?
Purple.
Yeah, that's one of your favorite colors, right?
Yeah.
Because red and blue, so when they mix, make purple. Ooh, that's like different. Ooh, that reminds me of a raspberry. Do you like raspberries?
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Oh, this is like a tie-dye D.
That is cool.
Let me see that.
Look at how many colors we got there.
Wow.
Whoa.
I want to make purple.
You want to make purple? Okay, maybe add some blue on top or some red on top of there? Or do you want to mix it on the palette?
Let's do that and mix it.
Do it.
And one more.
Mm-hmm.
And
Ooh, that's a pretty red.
I'm going to do it.
Oh, wow. Good
What?
job.
Oh.
Pretty.
I think I'm gonna add some
I'm
salt.
gonna add this and this together.
Do it. See what we get. We got it. That's how we experiment.
Ooh.
What? I'm gonna add some water drops. So the water drop trick was you dip in there and oh, I'm just gonna add some water.
Gonna make more.
Some explosions. Whoa! Do you see what's happening with the salt?
Kind of looks like snowflakes.
Yeah. So it kind of it like soaks it all up and it makes it whiter. Yes. Whoa. Yours looks so cool. Look at that. Is that with water or is that salt?
I think it's water.
It's water.
I'm gonna add this and this together.
Okay, do it. So, while Lois keeps painting, I wanted to tell you that you are making this for someone in your life that you loved. Now, there are times when sometimes we can't physically be with someone, so what we're gonna do,
Side on there.
oh, that's okay, is we're now gonna write you are, because you're gonna take a picture of this at the end and you're gonna be able to send this to someone that you love. So Lois and I were talking before, and you were thinking of making this for your grandma, right? Is that who we're talking about?
No, Grandma Cheryl.
Grandma Cheryl. So Grandma Cheryl, because you can't see her, but we can remind her that we love her. So that is who you're making this for. I need a paper towel. So if you need to wipe your hands off, go grab a paper towel. Good job. Oh, I like your dots. Keep going.
This?
I think that's mine.
Here.
Thank you very
It's
much.
really white.
We're almost
So
done.
close. Have a seat.
We're gonna do this part. Okay, and that's it.
Okay.
Okay, can we do it?
So you just do Y-O-U-A-R-E.
Yes!
Nice.
That was so good. Can we do that together? Okay, let's show everyone how to do that.
Where's my paintbrush?
It's
It's in here.
soaking.
Not wrong one. This one.
Yeah. Okay, so that is what we're gonna do. Lois, thank you for telling us. So we're gonna write you are on top. Do you wanna paint it or do you want to use markers? Up to you.
I want to paint.
You wanna paint? Okay, let's do it.
I'm do red.
Red?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Red. I think we're going to get more.
Okay, I'll get you more. So we are going to write, like Lois said, you are on top.
Okay.
So we're gonna pick,
Let me see.
I'll help you. Okay,
Okay.
so you're gonna do a Y first. You can do it anywhere you
I
want.
want to go with here.
Do it.
Y.
Loved you are.
Very Yoda-like.
Y, O,
U.
U, space.
Okay. Is it? I think A.
Yep.
I'm just going to do it like
A. Oh, a capital A. I like that.
and a R.
R
Okay. And then I'm going to do.
and E.
We're finished.
Whoa, we are finished. Good job. Loved you are. So now here's the really cool thing is Lois and I are going to take a picture of this and then we're going to send it to her Grandma Cheryl. So you can take a picture of you holding it up like this and smiling and you can send it to so many people. So we're going to do that together after. You want to paint more?
I want to paint more.
Do it. Okay.
Okay.
You
And then
paint more.
I think I'm going to squeeze more blue because I don't think there's any blue.
Okay, you keep going.
And
Now, I realize
more yellow. I don't think
that we have been doing this together, painting, and now I just want you to remember
that's so hard.
good job, that you can make so many more of these. This is such a fun project. You learn all these cool techniques.
Can't.
You got it. What are you trying to make? What color are you trying to make?
And then just a yellow.
Okay. Oh. There you go. Is that a good amount?
Yeah.
Okay.
We haven't get all the spots. We didn't get all of them.
That's okay. We got a lot of them. Okay, now we are ready. Lois is gonna keep painting. I want her to keep painting because that's what you can do. You're an artist.
Where's my thing?
Paintbrush. But What I want you to remember is that you are brave, kind, and you are creative. So take a picture, and we also have a Facebook group that we would love to see what you paint. So we have a Facebook group called Let's Make Art Kids that you can join. Ask a grown-up to take a picture while you're doing this, share it with us, and we want to cheer you on. Can we say bye to our friends?
Bye!
Bye!